Good morning, investors and traders. In today's analysis, we'll be talking about why Bitcoin is moving lower again. So let's have a bit more deeper conversation on that and then find out the reasons behind that. But before we do anything else, as always, it is important for me to go through this disclaimer, which is right in front of you. If you have any further questions, feel free to come back to me. Now, before we begin, it is important for us to have a look at the daily time frame because that is where the answer to this question very much lies. So on the daily time frame, first of all, what we've experienced is that after making the all-time high, the price started to move lower, and it consistently moved lower, as you can see from here, until it breached the 100-day simple moving average. As you can see over here, this is your 50-day simple moving average, followed by that is your 100-day simple moving average, and finally you have your 200-day simple moving average. Now, after the price breached its 100-day simple moving average, we saw some buying pressure coming in, and that pushed the price back above the 100-day simple moving average. Of course, an important area of support was still a little bit below that area, this particular area. So that is nearly about at 42,000 to 44,000. So the price clearly respected this support level. But now what we are experiencing in terms of a price action is resistance coming from the 50-day simple moving average, or in other words, the price is failing to break above the 50-day simple moving average. Although it is natural to see this sort of a price action, but the fact that the price has crossed below the lows of yesterday, as you can see over here, and also the lows of the day before that, is certainly a concern. I mean, of course, no one wants to see the price breaking below the 50,000 or especially the 100-day simple moving average, because if that happens, then it is very likely for the prices to go and revisit this area of 42,000 to 44,000. Now, is the price really going to stay above the 100-day simple moving average? The answer to that is going to be coming from our 4-hour time frame, and that is, can the price stay above the 50-day simple moving average? Because so far, firstly, after breaking all these particular price levels, the price broke its 50-day simple moving average, but then it struggled to break above the 100-day simple moving average. Now, if the price cannot stay above the 50-day simple moving average, then that means the price is moving lower, the price is going to go down, and that means that this 100-day simple moving average is highly likely to be violated, and the price is likely to revisit these particular price points. And now, if the price can really stay above the 50-day simple moving average, the answer to this one is going to come from the 30-minute time frame, and that is, can the price stay above the 200-day simple moving average? Because if it can, then surely the price can also stay above the 50-day simple moving average. And again, if the price can stay above the 50-day simple moving average, then that means the price is likely to break above the 50-day simple moving average, and that will confirm that this upward trend is really going to continue. But right now, this upward trend is once again under threat, and we could potentially see the price rolling to the downside rather than having a move to the upside. So once again, to summarize, the price has made it a lower low in comparison to the last 2 days, which signals more weakness, but we are hoping for the price to stay above the 50-day simple moving average on the 4-hour time frame, and the signal for that is going to be coming from the 30-minute time frame, and that is, can the price stay above the 200-day simple moving average or not? Overall, the RSI over here is also signaling that the price is still oversold, and on the 4-hour time frame, we do see the RSI saying that, okay, we could see a little bit more momentum to the downside. However, that is neglectable, because what we are going to pay attention to in terms of RSI is the daily time frame and the 30-minute time frame. The daily time frame shows that the RSI still has a lot more room to run to the upside, meaning the bullish momentum can continue, which is also confirmed by the 30-minute time frame. That's all for now today, guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.